There are so many kinds of work gloves in Japan. Which ones to choose? Stay tuned.
Oh yeah.
Good day! This is the work glove section inside Gooday Home Center, and they have so many work gloves. How many work gloves do you have?
はい、キッチン、園芸、安全用品、レジャー用品コーナーの、約300種類、グッデイ全店で取り扱っております。
With so many work gloves, how do you decide which one? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you my favorites. This is the Gunte corner. Gunte are those fabulous Japanese invention, the knitted work glove. And yeah, this is made of mixed materials, very affordable. One size fits all, and they even come in different colors. You can get it in gray, and it will hide the stains. Next, we have the same Gunte, but these are made in Japan, made in Kyushu. Makes for a good souvenir. Down here, they have Gunte. These are soft Gunte, 100% cotton, good for fine use, detailed work and stuff like that. And they even have a premium Gunte. These are also 100% cotton and very durable. They can be washed. This is the good stuff. Up here, they have Gunte for children even. SS size, S size, M size, so everybody can get Gunte, do some gardening, do some beach cleaning. Have fun. In the kitchen section, these gloves are selling really well. These are the polyethylene gloves, the vinyl gloves, and the natural rubber gloves. Let me introduce you to some of my favorite work gloves. First up, this is the cut-resistant glove. And this glove is probably the most high-tech and most modern of all the gloves that I'm going to introduce you today. It has a fabric back, a textile back with a high cuff, but it is the palm that's really special. There is a blend of kevlar and stainless steel inside this palm here, which gives it amazing protection against cuts. So people working with glass or with knives or anything sharp, this glove here gives you lots of protection but still flexibility. Next up is another special glove. This is the Nitrile glove. And the main feature of this glove is that it is waterproof, 100% waterproof. And it's very durable, very soft, and it's mainly used in industrial situations. And so you're looking for a glove to keep you dry and protected. There you go. Next. Here we go. This is a specialty glove for sure. This is the vibration resistant glove. And what we have here is a glove that will help get rid of the tingling hands that you can get from using a chainsaw or a weed cutter for too long. How it does it is there are pads on the palm of the glove that take away the vibration. It's made out of a imitation leather, so it's still washable and remains flexible. This is a glove that I don't use that often, but when I do, I'm really happy I have it. Next. This glove is one of my all-time favorite gloves, the grip glove. And it's very, it's typical of a very popular kind of glove that has a knitted textile back, yet on the palm, this is 100% natural rubber and actually quite thick and has a very grippy pattern to it. So this is an all-around outdoor gardening DIY glove. that can be washed, unlikely to get punctured. So this is a fantastic glove. Next, speaking of garden gloves, this is a glove similar to the last one, but maybe targeted more for women. Why so? The glove has a finer knit, so it's a lighter textile back here, and the gum, the rubber surface on the palm as well too, is a bit thinner and more flexibility. It comes in pink and light blue, and just has a better fit for smaller hands or for women. It has UV filter treatment as well too. My wife loves this glove. Oops. Next. Oh, a classic. All the gloves I've shown you up until now have been synthetic. We're back to a leather glove here. This is a cowhide glove, and this glove has been treated with some oils and so forth, so this also can be washed and it will stay smooth and supple as well. But the thing about a leather glove is that it gives you protection all the way around on the back side and the front side. So if you're doing things like chopping wood or working with heavy machinery, some rough construction work, a leather glove still is a good glove to have. They look smart and they smell good too. Next. Oh, speaking of heavy duty work outside, this is the Rock and Stone glove. And this is just a heavy duty textile back glove that has a mix of a blend of nitrile and natural rubber on the palm. Thick, but still very flexible, very durable construction. Again, for outdoor work, this is a glove that I look forward to using myself in the future. Next. Another specialty glove that I found at the home center, Deodorant Nitrock. This glove's specialty is that it has been treated to prevent bacteria from growing on the glove itself, and therefore it will stay free from smells no matter how much you sweat. Very nice fitting glove, very good grip. That is another specialty glove. Next. Here's a fun number that I found at the home center. These look like Gunte, and they are a kind of Gunte, 100% cotton, but bright white, and they have the little bubbly, sort of bumpy things on the palm here for extra traction. These are the gloves that you will see Japanese taxi drivers and bus drivers sometimes use because they want to look good on the job. Next. Oh. Ooh, what are these? Look at these. These are another kind of specialty gloves that you can get at the home center, which are used by people working in the hospitality industry, like maitre d's or people who are working at hotels. Yeah, very fancy. And you know what? If I become a magician, I'm gonna get a pair of gloves like this too. Next, polyethylene gloves. At the home center, they have all kinds of these very inexpensive disposable gloves. And this is one kind, polyethylene. And the polyethylene ones are the ones that they have kind of a baggy, very loose fit. And they have an embossed surface, so they're really easy to take on and off. And they're very light. And because they're not made of latex, no problems with allergies. That is the polyethylene ones. And then there are vinyl gloves as well too. Now these vinyl gloves are also synthetic, so no problem with allergies, and they're also fairly easy to get on and off. Not a big problem here, but they have a much tighter fit. And because they're synthetic, they're actually really good to use with, detergents or hair coloring or, some of the light chemicals like that. But they're really lightweight, really flexible, and yeah, offer some good protection. That is the vinyl ones. Next. And finally, we have the 100% natural latex disposable gloves. And these gloves are really stretchy, and I love that sound that they make too. I feel almost like I'm a doctor. 100% latex, natural rubber, so they're really good for precision work, for picking up things, and they actually feel good on the skin as well too. So for home care or applications such as that, these are the 100% vinyls. They're all really inexpensive, and the left and the right, doesn't matter which one, they both fit on. So, what was the best glove? It really depends, doesn't it? And I hope that you found some good gloves in this video to help you with your next DIY project. See you next time.